I did want to talk a little more generically about AI, because anybody who did go to TDX knows that the second you went up Moscone to the second floor, right there front and center was the Einstein Lookout with all the new AI launches. And this includes Einstein Copilot, which, very quickly for the uninitiated, this is your ability to attach, connect, and authenticate any Gen AI chat model that you want to your Salesforce and your Salesforce data to act on it. That's including like OpenAI, ChatGPT 3.5 models, things like this, and connecting them to your Salesforce org so that you can have a really intelligent AI copilot while you're operating in your org. With that comes a couple other things that supplement it. There is the prompt builder, which is effectively like a developer skill set. And there are going to be, if they're not up now, they will be on Trailhead, certifications to go get, or at least badges, to like code the templates for the prompts that feed into these Copilot AIs and automatically handle some of the back and forth and refinement of a request to make sure that that AI is giving you the most valuable output from it. So there's basically the ability to create like call it like a subsection of the conversation you would normally have with the AI, that it's like, okay, we can do better than that. Let me automate a follow-up request to it based on what you returned until it's like hits a certain point. So it's like templating the prompts you provide to it, automating responses to the AI from the initial prompt. If there are metrics or things that you're like, I want to get more detail or I want to elaborate on this. And then additionally, there is what they call the model builder, which is the actual linking of AI models into your Salesforce and saying like, this is what my Einstein Copilot's going to be running when I'm talking to it and working with it. I wanted to call that out. I mean, AI is the big buzzword. It's the hot topic right now. I'm sure anybody who was there was aware, saw it was front and center. It was the biggest stage right up the escalator to go see it. But knowing that that's where Salesforce Core is, I wanted to call that out, because then when you think about what we're talking about with all this crazy stuff like inference models hosted on Heroku that can then be made available through Einstein Copilot Model Builder, leveraging data in a PG vector database, leveraging the data from your data cloud, like tying it all together, we're getting to a point where basically the most intelligent, interconnected business backend systems are going to comprise of external facing applications on Heroku, data lakes and data cloud, Einstein-enabled Salesforce orgs, and then MuleSoft API layers to connect everything outside of the ecosystem back into that central node. And we're going to see some crazy stuff happening with that combination of technology.